Hi everyone, it's Brian Ruiz here, and I'm really excited to share with you a new type of what I call whiteboard education, and this is coming soon. So I'm really excited about it. So let me explain what this whiteboard education is all about. So it's literally, I'm going to be writing on my whiteboard, and what I'm going to be doing for everyone that's participating in these education events, and I'll be taking a lot of the great content in the industry, and what I'll be doing is I'll be curating it, and I'll curate the content into contextual knowledge. Yes, contextual knowledge. So what's going to happen is that this contextual knowledge, it's going to be able to allow you to take action on it. So that is the whole goal, is to take all this content and this information that you see everywhere or you don't see. I will curate it all, arrange it, organize it in a simple manner, and prioritize what's the information you should be focusing on. And then what I'm going to do is I'll provide context, some contextual knowledge around it, right? And context is actually the meaning of knowledge. And that's really what this all means, is that, you got a lot of content, I'm curating it, and I'll contextualize it, and then I'll provide you the knowledge in a quick, seamless manner, easy whiteboard effect, in a way that you could take action. So to be a little bit more specific, you think about the definition of curated, right? And curated definition, you could Google it, is to gather, organize, and present to the public, right? So that is the raw definition of curated. And so think about it, I'm curating content. Content's all over, right? But it's just words, it's just information. We don't know what's good. It's not organized. It's not gathered. It's not easily accessible or available to the public, or you don't even know what's out there from a content standpoint. So then now let's take the definition of context. And this is really important because there's so much content out there and people are thinking, let me just feed clients and people people that are looking to get knowledge, just feed them a lot of words and information, but it's really context, which is very important. And the definition of context is that, the circumstances that form the settings for an event, statement, or idea when the terms of what could be fully understood, right? So fully understood and assessed. And that is the raw definition of context, right? Is providing all this information, however it comes, the idea, the information there, it's written, there's different ways to get this content, and put it in terms which it could be fully understood and assessed. And then what this is going to happen is when we take content and we curate it, and we contextualize it, what happens, it leads to the knowledge. And that's what's really you're trying to acquire, right? It's the facts, it's the information and the skills acquired by a person through experience or education, or the theoretical or practical understanding of a subject. And that is the end goal, is to help you ascertain the knowledge so you can make decisions in the future that are going to benefit you. So that's really what I'm looking to provide you, right? And those are the definitions of what I'm looking to focus on, right? Is the content curated, make it contextual, and provide you the knowledge out of that. So again, I'll break this down. It's really to take all this content that you see and don't see, right, and curate it right down to the context or the meaning of all this information, right? So it could benefit you, so you could become more knowledgeable with this information. And with knowledge gives you the capability to take action. And that's a super key now, is the ability to take action, because without taking action and doing, those are the only ways that you're going to be able to achieve your goals, is taking action and doing. And you're going to need that knowledge in a way, and hopefully I provide you the curated content and the context of that content in a nice, easy way fashion, so you could just make decisions, take action, and go and do it and be successful. So I want you to go ahead and connect with me now to be added to the list for these sessions. Pretty easy to get a hold of. Connect with me on LinkedIn and social media. You can text me with your email. I'll add you that way to make it easy. But thank you. And very soon I'll be launching the full video series on all this content that's curated down into a contextual knowledge for you to take action on and be successful. So don't forget to connect to me now to be added to the list.